Good morning. So here I am. I'm in front of this Acura and I'm pretty excited to do this redneck seafoaming. I don't know. It's kind of wild. I have to give you a full disclaimer though. One, this isn't my primary car. Two, if it catches on fire, I'm not really that worried about it. So I'm not a mechanic. And B, I really don't know if you should or shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Why not? It's fun, right? Anyway, so here, let's take a look at what we've got today for our supplies. Let's take a look. Because this is redneck version of this, we have our dish pan hand gloves right there. We've got some pliers, got some car keys. These are very important. You have to have keys, right? We have our fancy hood strut opener. We've got our safety goggles, and of course, when you buy some crappy car and you're stress eating like crazy, you have your fruit jelly container that is of course clean because all the candy has been eaten. Why not stress eat some stuff? And of course, our magical snake oil of the day is Walmart Supertech motor treatment. It says, it says on here, what does it say on here? Add to motor oil. Oh, there it is. Vacuum intake cleaner. Yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna give this a shot. I'm not endorsing Walmart. I just happened to buy this for like $3. I'm like, okay, so $3, $1 from the dollar store. Big spender here. So let's, I'm gonna set this down so I can open the hood, because I'm not gonna try to be a one-handed wander here. I'm gonna, safety first. I don't wanna be killed by hood. So here we are, fancy. How exciting, huh? So, here we are. And just to let you know, I'm sure people are like, oh my gosh, you're gonna ruin this. It's like, who cares? This is broken. This thing here, this death strut, it's already jacked up. So let's take a look here. So on most cars, when you do this DIY crazy nonsense to your car, you are going to need to use that line. That brake booster line goes up here, and look at that, right into the engine. Okay, I'm back to do this. I've got my safety goggles. I've got my lovely gloves so I don't get dish pan hands. You don't want to, after washing dishes for a while, you don't want to get that stuff going on. So anyway, so here we are. I had to get a different pair of pliers because the other pair sucked. So, okay, here we go. I'm sure everyone's like, oh, your hands. Let's see here. I think it's probably gonna be good. Oh, oop! What, the whole thing pops out? Holy crap. Let me see here. It's supposed to do that? Let's see here. Crap. Okay. You know what? We're just gonna wing it. We'll put it back. Okay. So we've got our hose. Joking aside, these are really, for $1 at the dollar store, These ones might be something else. I think these might be more expensive ones, but the dollar store ones, they'll probably work. So let's see here, since we... And I don't have like another separate thing, so I might just have to put something else here in lieu of maybe music. I don't know. You might just hear the engine. I don't know. Who knows? All I know is I don't want this chemical on my skin because that is no bueno. So, got this. I have my lovely fruit jelly tub. And this hose in my particular vehicle unclips, and I can bring it around so I don't have to struggle as much as I normally would. So I've got this. So to go in here, and you know, I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna see if I can put that back in there. Put this back. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take this clamp off, make my life easier. Just set it right there. Okay, let's fire this sucker up. Okay, so I have no mic, so I'll talk really close like people are old. Hey, did you hear me? What? Okay. Like they say, go big or go home. You don't want to dump it all the way in there, you just want it to slurp a little bit. Now you want to just not stick it all the way in. You just want it to, I don't know if I can hear it. Let me get the fruit jelly label out of the way. Just let it sip it in there. There we go. Let that stuff sip on in. And then for the grand finale, there we go. Look at that. Makes you want to go to Trader Joe's, get another jug of this. So the bottle's in there. And now we have to let it sit. Okay, we're back. So here we are. I had to let the camera charge. We're gonna see if this sucker smokes. Like an old person that used to chain smoke. We'll see how this works. So you know, the first rule is you want to make sure you roll up all your windows. You know, that's the crazy part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set y'all here, and so you get to see all the excitement. Maybe we'll see what happens. See if the car blows up. We'll see if you know, we'll see what happens here. You know, we've got our fancy Supertech. Wow. I almost died there. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh wow. I almost died there. Oh, whew. Like, talk about a smoke out. It's not the kind of thing I want to be part of. Anyway, so it's still smoking a little bit, but you know, they say to take it for a spirited drive, but you know, unfortunately I have no plates, no spirited drive, you know. Anyway, well, that's a wrap.